Did somebody say chicken?
Risk it all on the throw of a dice, or are you chicken? Here's a game that can be purchased in English or Spanish versions. You can be kicked out of this game and still win. One in the game still has a chance to win regardless of player with the highest score. All ages can play, and can play at the same time. Everybody on the block can play at the same time. You need at least 850 points to get in the game, and you can have a score of 10,000 points. You can't go over. There's 6 dice to throw and cards you can pull. Or if you're chicken, you don't have to. Can you risk it all on the throw of a dice, or are you chicken?
This a drop call? Is this a dropped call? I got turned around in my driving directions, as you can see. I don't know nothing about no chicken game. I made a left turn off the freeway into your kitchen. I didn't see nothing. I didn't hear nothing. All I want to do is maybe make a right turn out of your kitchen and get back to the freeway without us going through any changes.